Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, and for this vlog, we are going to talk all about the RF Facial 1 or Portable RF. Let's skip the introductions and just jump right in. First of all, ano ba yung RF? RF means radio frequency. So yung RF therapy, ginagawa niya talaga sa skin ay tinatighten niya para maging firm and mawala yung wrinkles. More specifically, nagtatransmit siya ng energy waves sa inner layer ng ating skin, which is yung dermis, para mag-produce yung skin ng more collagen. Yung collagen kasi, yan yung responsible for our skin's firmness. As we age, nababawasan yung production ng collagen in our body. Kaya yung mga oldies, nagkakaroon ng wrinkles and nagiging saggy yung skin. So, yung ginagawa ng RF, nagpo-produce niya yung body natin ng more collagen para mag-tighten yung skin at maging firm. So, yun. Paulit-ulit lang yung mga tighten and firm. There are three main functions of doing the RF therapy. Na-mention ko na kanina kung ano ibig sabihin ng radio frequency. So, next up is electrical muscle stimulate. Produce high energy. Pulse acupuncture instantly improves skin formation. Enhance the absorption of skincare products, make skin more elastic and tightening. And then the third one is photon skin rejuvenation. Strengthen skin repair, accelerate protein synthesis, stimulate collagen regeneration, expedite fiber cell metabolism, promote cellular healing, enhance cellular immune function, and eliminate inflammation. Ayun. So looking into this device, I got this from Glow.Beauty and Beyond. Ganito yung itsura ng RF. Pero maraming available na RF Facial 1 or Portable RF na nabibili sa Shopee or Lazada. If you're interested in this one, the links are down below sa description box. This one, meron siyang dalawang buttons. Ayan. LED, yung power button. And then dito, itong malaking circle na to is actually a display screen. So makikita natin dyan yung mode. To explain further, isa-isahin natin yung bawat mode na available sa device na ito. IR mode, export mode, import mode, and RF and EMS mode. Export is used to remove makeup and impurities on face effectively. So yun yung clean, yung deep cleansing na na-mention natin kanina. Import mode naman enhances the absorption of skincare products to increase 30% absorptivity. Pero sabi dito, kailangan mo nang gamitin yung export mode bago yung import. So export, as the name suggests, yun yung pagtanggal ng dirt. So yung import naman, yun yung papasok ng mga skincare products sa skin. So, yun pala yun. Kaya import tsaka export. And then, meron ding IR, infrared, ang ibig sabihin, with heating effect that makes skin and subcutaneous tissue higher temperature, promotes blood circulation, metabolism, and cell regeneration. Okay. So, yun yung mainit pala na. Kasi na-feel ko minsan umiinit siya. Actually, I've been using it for a week, pero ngayon ko lang nalaman yung mga modes, mga uses, kung paano siya gamitin ng tama. Ayan. So, sinishare ko rin sa inyo kung paano siya gamitin ng tama kasi mahirap kung hula-hula. Sobrang dami ng settings na available. Halito, sayang naman yung pera nyo kung hindi nyo gagamitin ng maayos. Diba? The next one is yung vibration. Yung vibration is for your facial massage. Siguro kung nakapagbasa-basa na kayo, alam nyo na massage brings skin higher energy and metabolism, generating heat to open pores for better absorption. So, yun. Next naman is yung ibig sabihin ng different lights. Merong 5 na LED light settings yung device. So, yung first one is red. And then, if you press the button twice, change siya. Ayan, green yung next. Blue, yellow, and purple. So, isa-isahin natin kung ano yung ibig sabihin ng bawat color na yan. So, yung red one is to enhance skin elasticity, shrink pores, remove wrinkles, and rejuvenate skin. The green one is to remove acne, blackheads, and pimples. So, ito yung setting na ginagamit ko recently. I've been using this for a week na, by the way. Then the next one, the blue light, is to kill bacteria and reduce oil secretion. Yellow light naman, anti-skin aging, removes wrinkles, and rejuvenates skin. then last, the purple light is to enhance the penetration of the essence naturally and fully absorbed. Yun. So, yun yung 5 na LED light settings. Then yung last is move left and right along the color. Pero hindi ko nagagawin. Yun yung 6 motions ng paggamit ng device. Okay, so we're done using the RF Facial 1. And as you can see, ayan, mute mo siya. So next question is how to clean the RF Facial 1. First of all, hindi siya waterproof, guys. Kailangan mo lang siyang i-wipe with wet wipes or towel. Pero this one from Glow Beauty and Beyond comes with yung isang pack ng sandamakmak na pang-linis. Parang wet wipes pero hindi siya wet. Tapos, wipe lang natin sa surface. Ganun lang. So there, malinis na siya ulit. So, siya linisan ng wipes. Pwede niyo siyang ibalik dito sa pouch. Kasama rin dun sa box. May kasama siyang pouch. Actually, meron na siyang sa ito. Nilalagay dito para hindi siya masira. Tapos, so yun lang. The final safety instructions ay keep it away from hot and humid places. Do not use sharp, corrosive, and volatile cleaners. Beware of dropping or crash to avoid damage. So dahil marunong na kayong gumamit ng RF Facial 1, dahil tinuro ko na sa inyo lahat from yung meaning ng RF to kung paano gamitin, yung buttons, kung paano yung motion, kung paano siya linisin, at paano siya i-store, kung paano siya itabi. It's time for you to subscribe. At kung gusto nyong malaman kung magkano yung RF Facial 1 from Glow Beauty and Beyond, you can check the description box below for the link and more info and kung saan nyo pa pwede follow. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed this vlog and see you on the next one.